Hey, this is Joshua with CrosseAutomobileFinance.com. I just want to make a quick video for you that explains what we do with a lease option and a line contract. These two instruments are not something that we invented. They're out there in the marketplace. You can actually find other property besides what we're selling with either a lease option or a land contract. As a matter of fact, if you can get a home purchased that way, I implore you to do it because home ownership is better than renting all day long because it's creating a monthly payment that you would normally be going away forever is actually going to your bottom line. You have to pay to live somewhere and you might as well be paying off your own mortgage. The reason I want to make this video today though is to discuss what the benefits of buying a house from us are through a lease option land contract. Most people wonder, well, when you hear lease option, they say, well, why would I want a lease option if I'm renting and if I'm doing a lease option, I'm still technically renting from you. And that is true in the context of a lease option. But one of the huge advantages of a lease option is the option is the right to buy the property. So your down payment, also known as a non-refundable option deposit, is a down payment that counts towards the purchase price of the house. But what it does is it prevents me, it's an option that you get with the lease option, and it prevents me from stopping you from buying the property, meaning I cannot keep you from buying the property if you have an option on the property. An option is used in a lot of different scenarios. I was just talking to an investor the other day, and he was buying some lots up north of Crosse by the furniture store up there, or the furniture factory up there, and he was building out like multi-unit buildings. And he had bought one lot. When he bought that lot, he also bought an option with it that he could buy 6 or 7 more lots. And so after he got the first unit done, he went and bought the second lot, bought the third, but he had the rights to buy those other lots, and that's what an option is. A land contract, you actually get your monthly payment. It's just like a mortgage in that you get title to the property, and the title goes on record downtown. The landowner still has the deed to the property, but you have title to the property, and it's just like a mortgage in the way it behaves. So your monthly payments are principal and interest payments. It is a better instrument from the standpoint of it's a little bit easier to get refinanced, but we use both of them to prove that you can afford the house and allow you to go back to the bank and get refinanced after 12 months. The reason that a lease option is better than a straight rental is because with the straight rental, you do not have the right to buy the house. So if you take your rental history into the bank, they can actually look at your rental history and say, oh yeah, you can afford $1,000 or $1,500 a month, but what do you have the right to buy? You don't have the right to buy anything. So then for you to use that to go prove home ownership or the ability to pay, they don't know what you're going to have to pay when you go buy a house. So the fact that you have the right to buy the house and that you've proven that you can afford the house by making those lease payments on a lease option is why a bank can get you financed after that 12 months. I hope this answered the question of what the value of lease option land contract and the difference between lease option and renting is. It is much better scenario to be in a lease option than it is a rental scenario. And getting to that home ownership is much faster in a lease option than in a straight rental. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We'd love you to, again, like, share, and comment on all our videos and all our content, really. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments, and we'll try to shoot another video to answer the question, or we'll try to answer the question in the comments. And I hope that you make it a great day today. It's your responsibility to make your day a better day.